So tonight we're going to make a marinade for our steak. Actually, it's a glaze of London broil, and we're going to make a glaze for it with some original and hickory syrup and some bourbon whiskey, and it's going to be really great. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a half a cup of our hickory syrup in a saucepan and a half a cup of the bourbon, and we're going to cook that down until it's about just a half a cup of liquid left. So I'm going to pour this up in the pan and get it cooking, and we're going to get this steak going. So we have our half a cup of Sutton Mill Creek original hickory syrup and a half a cup of some bourbon. I just used what I had on hand, which was some Evans William Kentucky bourbon. So whatever you like, whatever particular brand you like, it really doesn't matter. I'm sure some brandy would work just as good if you need to substitute your liquor. And we're going to, I just got this going, so we're going to let this reduce down to about a half a cup. So from a cup's worth of liquid down to a half a cup. Got our steak on the grill, and we are going to baste it with our bourbon hickory syrup glaze and get this steak a-cooking. I'm getting hungry. Just very generously glaze it, and you know, as you turn it over and as it's cooking, keep glazing it with the syrup mixture. So my steak is done. It looks wonderful. I'm gonna cut it and we'll give it a try. Give me 1 second. All right, let's try this out. Oh, it has a great flavor to it. A little bit sweet. Perfect. Just delicious. So give this recipe a try. It's a steak glaze made with Sutton Mill Creek hickory syrup.
Well, folks, thanks for joining me today at What's Beth Doing. We had a great time, and don't forget to check out our sponsor, Sutton Mill Creek Syrup Company. They make a line of hickory syrups, sweet and smoky, go great on your breakfast foods, pancakes, waffles, sausage, or make a good meat and salmon glaze. There's recipes on the website, so go to www.suttonmillcreek.com and check them out. And don't forget to subscribe.